Hello, children. You know what? Today I had a little friend of mine who asked me, I do understand this Indian system of numeration and I also know how to read the number according to the international system of numeration. But you know what? Today my teacher asked me a question and I was unable to answer. So I asked the kid, what is the question? And she said, can you tell me 100,000 is equal to how many lakhs? So this 100,000 is equal to how many? This number falls under the international system and this falls under the Indian system. How do I compare both international and Indian? So I just said, not a problem at all. This is the way you do it. So this is the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, this is the thousand, this is the 10,000, and this is the 100,000 according to the international system. Now the same one, if I have to place it under the Indian system, that is this 100,000, if I have to compare it with the Indian system, I would say ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and a lakh. So it comes to 1 lakh. So do you also get this system? What about 1 million? Let me give you a question. We have this 1 million. 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? Now the best way to do is write 1 million. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000 and a million. Now how many lakhs is this? Watch it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, and you have a 10 lakh. So 1 million is 10 lakh. Isn't that easy to understand? My little friend of mine was also very happy. But let me give you more and more examples so that you could understand better. Let's write 10 million. Let's take this 10 million. Okay, you have 10 million. 10 million is how many crores? Remember the crore thing we studied in the Indian system? So first let's write the 10 million. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, and a 10 million. Now how many crores is this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and a crore. So 10 million is 1 crore. So I hope you got how to compare the international system with the Indian system. Let's now try to compare the Indian system of numeration with the international system of numeration. For example, we have the number the 1 lakh. You need to convert in the international system. You have ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and here you have the 100,000. So this is 100,000 according to the international system. Now kids, I'm sure you know how to convert the Indian system to the international system and the international system to the Indian system. Thank you for now. Bye-bye.